Welcome back, guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. These are the Lanco that my wife got. So I'm not sure what's inside. So anyway, let's go and then unbox this. Wow, look at the 30 fingerprint right there from a delivery guy. So let's go and then open this up. Make sure that there's nothing in there. Got one of this. I'm not sure is this is it for the lip or what? She got this. This one probably look like an eyelash. And then see, so many things in here. Oh, so this one's mascara. I don't know, it looks kind of dried up, so. So this one's for a sunscreen user. Wow, so many. Individual pack. I don't know what's this one, so. Color design. So it looks like a lipstick. Yep. There's this one. It's a left. For the eye. There's another left for the night. Resource cells. I'm not sure what's this one for. It looks like a lip liner, or it's an eyeliner pencil. It's an eyeliner pencil. So it looks like a compact. Yeah, it's a 5 shadow. So there you go. It didn't come with the brush. Oh my god, there's some more in here. Did it upside down. Then you got this waterproof. And then 2 of these are the same. And you got the gift bag. Looks like a tote bag. It says Lanco over here, Paris. It's a different slot. Then you got a silica gel. Alright. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop me in the comments down below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.